I made it back. Felt so bad for the ducks. I got the rest of the bag for them. Goodness, I'm out of breath. Boy, these legs work though. I'll tell you what. And it looks like I missed it. That's alright. Here we go. Look at them. Alright. It looks like they're all set. They're all set. That's good. I wish back so quickly. But I forgot my drink. It's alright. I'll show you what I brought. Yes, I do. It's every day, isn't it? Yeah. I bought the bag. He's an old man, but he's cool. They have their little feet here. Oh, the ducklings! Well, yes, I have to drop some to them. And that makes sense. I want the ducklings to be able to eat some of the food. You can see here. They have plenty of food over there. Where you going? They have food over there. You going somewhere? Goodness. That's the rest of this bag. They're just eating what they can. He's back. He's just guarding. Just guarding. Oh. The old man came and helped me out. Look at that. All this asinine quacking. Absurd. Asinine. Belligerent. Quacking. Well, I got them more food, so they won't kill each other for it. Some of the geese are just, I don't know. They're doing their thing. I should have put that, what's a who's it where I had before. That's what I should have done. Look at them. The ducklings are like, this is too much. We'll see later. Oh, I should have poured some on their little spot. That's fine. There's that one squirrel. That is so funny. That one squirrel. Well, they're all set. I'm not gonna lie. Finding the solution to the problem does make me a lot happier when chaos breaks. To be honest. The chaos is a ladder. I'm not gonna explain that to you. If you don't know, then I don't know you. They have plenty of food. Mr. Duck. Oh. Have they calmed down enough for you to come by? Oh. They were just waiting for the ruckus to calm down, I guess. I suppose. Let's see. Will he reach the feed? Yes or no? Oh, yes. And the crane. The crane shows himself today. Over by the pond. Over across the pond. To the other side on that mini island. The crane's always over there. Probably gonna stay away from the geese. Can you spot the squirrel? Yes, actually you can. It's cool. The hierarchy of the birds and the water birds, the ducks. I just think water birds sound cute. I might as well. Since I have so much time for myself for the rest of my existence. Yes, of course. Oh. Not only is he eating the food, he's sitting on it. How lovely.